Hi, and welcome back to another AnyRPG Development Livestream. In these videos, I livestream the development of the AnyRPG Engine, a 100% free and open source role-playing game engine designed in Unity and written in C#. These videos are unscripted and give you a chance to take a behind-the-scenes look at the unfiltered, methodical side of software development. For more information on AnyRPG, be sure to check out anyrpg.org, where you can find documentation on the engine, links to the full source code at the official GitHub repository, and downloadable versions of AnyRPG Alpha, a free game designed to showcase the features of the AnyRPG engine. If you'd like to see more of this type of content in the future, then be sure to like the videos, subscribe to the Cohesion YouTube channel, or just leave a message in the comments telling me what you'd like to see. In today's episode, we will be continuing our work on the creation of a Unity package for export so that other people can actually start making games with AnyRPG. And we'll be following up on the work we did in the last live stream, number 16, where we made the Carnegie Mellon huge FBX mocap library a little more useful. So if you download this library, it's a great library, it's free, it's public domain, which is what we're looking for samples, because you can redistribute this stuff as you want. And it's got 2,500 animations. It's humongous. If you look at all three parts of it combined, it's like over 3 gigabytes. So when you download it, the animations are all in folders like this, and they don't have these descriptions on the end of the names. They're just listed like this. So it's really hard to search in Unity for something. So instead of having file names like this, it's nicer to have the file names like the ones that you're seeing right here, where we've actually got the description after the end of the numerical part of it. So what I did is created a Python script, and let's see if I can find the link to that. There it is, and uploaded it to GitHub. And now if you want to rename your animations, then what that Python script does is it goes through the directory, looks for all of these files, and basically replaces all special characters with underscores, and then just appends that to the name. So now what we can do is we can take these mocap animations, and if I want to look for punch animations, then making sure that my search is set to the current directory, which it is, I can now see all of the punch animations without having to jump into this spreadsheet and like do like a find all thing and then jump back into Unity. So this is going to make our development a lot quicker, hopefully, and of course I have, like I said, published that up to GitHub so that anyone who is using this library can now download this, and I just released that code as MIT, which basically makes it like open domain or public domain. So now that we have searchable animations, we can actually start looking for the animations that we want, and then cleaning them up a little bit. So one of the issues that you can notice right away is I just got to get an avatar on these things. Let's see here. So we have to set the rig to humanoid here. There we go. Okay, now let's just take a look at that in a little bit bigger. So this is a punch strike animation, and let's open that up a little wider. And so what you can see basically is the guy's fingers are like all just super spread out here. They're not bunched up into a fist. And I'm not going to deal with that in this episode, but I just wanted to point it out. What we can do is eventually we'll add a layer mask to our guy to make sure that his hands and arms and stuff are in the right place, like when he's holding his shield and such. So for now, because these are just sample animations, we're not going to have them in the game. In the game, we have some better animations that we are allowed to use in the game. But because we have the permission to redistribute these are the ones we're going to use in the Unity package. So we just need to basically pull out and cut these animations up and find some ones that look like half decent pretty much. So let's basically just start looking for punches and then pulling out what we need out of them. So I will look for punches in mocap animations, and this was the first one. There's some better ones I was looking through. Let's take a look at that one. We'll just set that to humanoid as well. Oh wow, that one's really messed up for some reason. He's punching backwards. I think I remember seeing that one. Let's try maybe looking at this one right here. Okay, that's a little better. Nice, he's got his guard up here. His guard is basically like it's really close to his face, so that's not necessarily the best position. But yeah, let's just keep looking here. We have this left punch sequence 2. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take all of these guys and I'm going to set them just to humanoid rigs all in advance. And then that way we can just look at them a lot quicker without having to do that manually on each one. Okay, so we have this punch sequence 1. Which isn't great. Let's look at this other punch sequence here. Guard is still really close to his face there. Punch sequence 2 maybe. Same thing, his hand is like on his cheek. It's a really odd, really odd stance. Okay, no. Then we have just punching. No, and this is the one that's like messed up and backwards. I'm just gonna rename that to like punching backward. Then we have punch and kick. Wow, that foot looks so messed up in that animation. Yeah, those aren't very great kicking animations. Punch and kick, I'm just gonna like call this one bad. Alright, let's try this one and see if we get anything better. I mean, his shoulders look a little weird and his head is like all off to the side. His feet are a bit wonky. Is this, because I don't have IK maybe? Huh. Okay, well that one's, I don't know, I don't want to really call that a maybe. Let's just keep looking. And that's like kicking a soccer ball. Yeah, he's like, let's see here. He's like throwing something. Okay, so this isn't like, I wouldn't call that a punch. It was more like catching a soccer ball. Punch, kick, soccer ball. And then, let's see, this one. You know what? That's not too bad. I mean, those side kicks, maybe. Ooh, you know what? Hey, look at that. This is like karate punches. That's not bad. We could actually make some combos out of those. Okay, so let's pull out some of these animations then. Whoops. I mean, they don't need to be perfect. So we'll just add a new clip in here. And let's try to find something where he's punching here. Or kicking, actually. We want to bake in basically all of his positions as well. But let's see here. So, okay. Here's where we start off with the kicks. So let's pull that in a little bit, and I don't know if I can, yeah, if I hold down control, I can zoom in on that. So that's okay. That'll make it a little easier to work with, and then I can move that over with my middle mouse button. Then, yeah, let's zoom in a little more. Okay. So we can start our kick. I just want to see if he ends where he starts. Yeah, pretty much. That's close enough anyway. Now his hand here, it's not like in a combat pose before he starts. This is probably about the best we'll get. And then let's see here. If we scroll this down a little bit, we can see if we're matching like our body orientation and stuff. So let's try to get all these things green here. He's going to go up. We see them go red. He comes back. We pull it over. He stands. He didn't come back to the same spot precisely. Root transform position. So I guess that only shows up when we actually start moving it. Okay, so like everything's basically a match except for the bottom one. And let's see, like he starts off back here, moves up, comes down, steps back. It's like almost the same spot. It's good enough, I think, for me. Let's just try baking his position here and see what happens. Yeah, not much. You know what's interesting about this? Like we've got actually a really good match for this position apparently right here. But I don't really want to have both of those kicks as like a single move. So let's just go for like a best match over here. I think I'm okay with that. So this is going to be, let's see, AnyRPG example low sidekick. Okay, and let's make another one that starts basically right where this one ends. So we'll start that at 787. And I guess we need to zoom that in a little bit. Okay. So we will bake in that stuff, and then let's see here. This is like a medium sidekick, I guess. And he comes back, and this is like pretty close. Let's see. I'll do a medium sidekick, 2 medium sidekicks, 3 medium sidekicks. How quickly does he do them? Let's actually play that animation. Okay, or not? Oh, right. We got a 1, 2, 3, then back. That's like the closest match here. Okay, so let's try just playing that one. Those are really slow. Okay, so I guess I think that first one is probably like it's let's see, maybe I don't know if those secondary ones are any better really. It's slightly different, but yeah, you know what? Those are just too similar to that one. So let's keep looking and see what else we can find in here. So he does those kicks, he runs around in circles. So, oh, there we go. We got like karate punches here. Okay. Let's go back to the start of the karate punches. And maybe just turn him so he's kind of facing towards us and zoom in a little bit better so we can see him. And let's actually move that out a little bit, and I guess I can't pull that up any higher. Okay. So, starting off with the karate punches, he's got his hands there, guard. Actually, I think that's about where I'd want to start it. Yeah, okay, perfect. So, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How long is that? That's like 6 seconds. Okay, let's play that. I just want to see. These are really slow also. Okay, so let's just do 2 of them then. Pull them around and pull out the first punch, whack, and then end up back in guard there. It's not like fantastic, but it'll have to do. And that was a left reverse punch. So AnyRPG example left reverse punch. And then we'll start the next one where this one ended. So 1458. And I see we got a middle click on this first, and then we can scroll it through. So starting at 1458, we have a right hand reverse punch basically. Whack, and then back. Yeah, not fantastic, but I don't really care too much right now. So let's apply that. Let's just go all the way to the end and see if we get anything any better. No, just more walking around. Okay. So we'll scroll back in here. And back to about the center there. Okay, good enough. So this one here will be the AnyRPG example right reverse punch. oops, I guess I forgot to. Right, I gotta hit enter. Okay. Okay, so that one was okay, so let's just keep looking through here and we'll see if there's anything decent in here we can use. Okay, this is a knee, no, front kick. Let's see how far he moves. He kind of moves up a little bit. That one's pretty good. I kind of like that one. The pose is like pretty good match. Okay, let's start there. And this one can be the start of AnyRPG right straight kick. So we'll move that up there. Yeah, I think that was about where it started. And then let's pull that back. Zoom in on our guy a little bit. Oh, there we go. Now I can move it. Okay. So that's pretty good, I think. Whoops. Let's middle click on that and then zoom that in a little bit. Okay, so if we play this, he starts sort of on his back right foot. He's moving backwards at the beginning. We need to move that there. Yeah, we want to start more like here. Okay, so let's see. He right kicks, he comes back. It's interesting. It says his position isn't a good match. Oh, there we go. Now it likes that one better. They're all green. Okay, so let's take a look at that. That's not bad, actually. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. So this is the right straight kick. That one's actually one of the better ones, I think. And next up, let's see, we'll make another one and we'll start that one at 793. And we'll see what else we can find in the rest of this clip here. So, interesting. Let's zoom that in a little further. So after that straight kick, we have like some boxing combos. What is that, swatting? What do they name that thing? Knee kicking and stretching. Okay, well, I want to see how fast these punching animations play. Like, are they slow? Let's see. Let's try that again. Okay, that's not bad. That little 1-2 there is actually pretty good. It's a nice little combo. So let's go back to the start of that. And we got 1, 2, and back to guard. And almost a pretty good loop match. Let's see if we can get the bottom to line up a little better. Okay, you know what? I think if we move the first frame forward a little bit, no, back a little bit. Ooh, there we go. Okay, perfect. Yeah, we got all green. Okay, perfect. So this is going to be an AnyRPG right-left combo. So AnyRPG example, right, is it left, right? Yeah, actually it's left, right. Left, right, combo punch. That's pretty good, I think. And then let's see if we can find anything else useful in here. So 831. And we'll just keep going forward from there, basically. We got a couple more combos. We got like a SWAT. Bunch of SWATs. Some like smashing. Oh, what's that? Ooh, a knee. What's that? That's like a straight punch. And jumping jacks, running around. Okay. Yeah, I think those two are pretty good. Let's see if we can find anything else here. So we'll just make this guy a little bigger and just really quickly see where we might find animations here. Okay, so we have, you know what I need to do here? Let's just make sure we have, yeah, let's put those in and maybe he won't move around quite so much when he's kicking. Oh, okay, what do we got here? We got some punching animations, more combos. Did I miss the kicks? These were knees. I thought he did some side kicks before, but maybe those were supposed to be the knees and it just wasn't working because we didn't have stuff baked in. Okay, coming up, getting ready to punch. Let's start basically right here, I think, because he's standing sort of straight. This is frame 926. Okay, we got some combos. Oh, these are like blocking. Okay. More like slapping the guy. Okay, let's see if any of these combos are quick enough here. Yeah, we got another left-right combo. I guess I think I'll take the first one out of here. So let's try the first left-right combo here. Okay, and it starts right about here. So we'll just zoom in on this punching section. And 1, 2, back to center. Pretty much end it there. Now let's see if there's anywhere to start that's going to be good. Basically nothing. Okay, well, I guess like a best effort, we can keep the top two green. Let's see. I see. I wonder if I just hit original, if it'll just like... Yeah, interesting. He's not moving. I see. So basically, in the first frame here, his foot isn't far enough forward. See, he steps up here. Maybe I'll grab the second one because after that first one too, he's sort of like standing in a neutral position. And let's see if we can go off and get a better match for the next one too. Yeah, there we go. All of them are green. That's better. Okay, so let's play that. 1, 2. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. So this will be, this is a right-left? No, left-right. Okay, so AnyRPG example left-right combo punch. I think we already had a left-right combo punch in the last one. Yeah, we did. Oh, left-right reverse punch. No, that's left and right reverse punches. Okay, right, but we already have the combo punch down there. Good, so this is combo punch 2. And let's see if we can find anything else useful in here. We'll start at frame 945, which is where the last one ended. And we'll go through that. We get another combo punch, another combo punch. It's blocking stuff, more smacking, more walking around. Yeah, I think that's okay. We don't need like a whole lot of combo punches really. You know what, maybe let's just take a look and see. I want to see how quickly those come. Like maybe we could put together a 4-punch combo or something. 1, 2, no, too slow. Yeah, we need like a flurry of punches is sort of what I'm looking for. So we'll apply that one. And then let's see what else we got in here. Pretty much more exactly of the same. I think we want to bake his orientation and stuff into here. Okay. Let's see how fast those play. Oh, those are slow. Like really slow. The last one was a little faster. I mean, I know you can speed up animations, but I'm looking for stuff that I don't really have to do like a ton of work to. Okay, let's check these last ones here. These are pretty slow too. I mean, you never leave your fist hanging out there for that long. Yeah, okay, so nothing really fantastic from there. Okay, so 8602. Interesting, I don't know where 8603 is. Anyway, okay. Jumping jacks, more jumping jacks. Going through. Ah, there we go. Okay, so we got some punching. Let's just take a look at that a little bigger. These ones are really slow too. That last one was almost quick enough. Let's try that again. Starting from frame 1864. Yeah, actually, that is quick enough. Okay. We'll take that one as well. So we will start that at 1864 and middle click, and then we can zoom in on that. And 1, 2, and like that's it. Back to guard. Okay. So we're going to zoom in on just that portion and then scroll this down. Hey, actually, we got all green. That's pretty good. Let's try this. Boom, boom. All right, let's bake those in. We can actually make that a little bit shorter, I think, because there's like a long withdrawal on that. I wonder, can we move the first one forward at all? And then if we press play, whack, whack. I wonder how far back I can move that and still have it like that's probably, yeah, we'll keep that. Okay, so this is also a left-right combo. So we will rename that AnyRPG left-right example. Left-right combo punch 3. Okay, and let's see what we got in this one. Jumping jacks. Nice, we got, I think, let's take a look at these punches a little bit bigger here, because some of them look like they might be okay. That's like a nice little jab there. So, let's see, starting from frame 400. That last one, the double jab, I kind of like that. So that one starts, let's see, frame 452. Okay, and scroll down, let's see if we can line these all up. Jab, jab, and back. And actually that's really good, they're all green. Okay, cool. So this is a jab, jab, left, right again. And I'll call it the jab combo this time, because these are more like jabs than punches. And then let's keep, whoops, I guess we gotta look through here. Right, so I'll start a new animation. Start it at frame 491, whoops, 491, which is where the other one ends. And we can keep looking for anything else useful in here. Walking. Let's see, okay. So on this kick, he takes a step forward. He never really returns to his original position. Let's check the next one. It's like a front kick. This one he actually returns really close to his original position, it looks like. So I think that's a good candidate for a right straight kick. And this is probably about as close to a guard position as we can get. So this is frame 696. So we'll start this one at 696. Zoom in. Let's see. Let's scroll that down a little bit so we can see these colored lights here. And, right, I guess it would help if we bake some stuff in. So what is it not liking here? It's not liking his XZ position, so he's like a little bit forward. It's really not that much, it doesn't feel like anyway. Okay, so let's just take a look. He goes forward, comes back to here. I wonder if we were to start the next one here, if we can get a better match on his position. It looks like we can actually. Kick, coming back. Yeah, okay, good. There, that one lines up. So let's play that. Kick, come back. Not bad. Yeah, good enough. So this will be the example. This is a right straight kick. I think we already have a right straight kick. Nope. Okay, good. So right straight kick. And let's see. We'll start this one at frame 814 because that was the end of the last one. See if we got anything else useful at the end of this. We got some more jabs. Let's just open it up and look at those in real time. I think I've already got enough combo punches. I don't need another sort of slow jab combo punch. So we'll apply that. And then let's see what we have in this one. Oh yeah, these aren't attacks. This is so weird. Based on the description, walk backwards then attack. And this is like, I mean, if these are attacks, they're like the saddest attacks. I don't know what he's doing there. Okay, so vignettes, throw punches. Let's see, anything useful in here? What is he doing? It's like he's slapping himself in the face or something. Okay, let's keep looking around. Yeah, I don't see anything really too useful there. Let's look at this one. None of this looks like particularly threatening stuff, so let's try this one. It's like wax on, wax off. Okay, well, we're not gonna wax on, wax off them to death, so that'd be kind of cool though if you make that into a buff, wax on, wax off, and all of a sudden your guy gets like 10 times as strong. All right, we'll maybe skip that for today though. Let's see what else we got here. What is that exactly? This is like a guard position. Okay, this is like some feigning. Okay, so starting at frame 567, we have something. We got like a feign, a jab, another jab. That's about the closest thing. I want to take another look at that again here. So 563. Huh. I don't know, maybe is there some potential to that? Can we use it? He's standing in more of like a kickboxing stance here with his hands. He's like scratching his face. That's probably not going to retarget very well. Yeah, we'll skip that one. Let's see, punch strike. Okay, a high punch, high punch, high punch, medium punch, middle punch. These are all like different levels of strikes. You know, that's actually not bad. Let's just take a look at how quickly those are, because that gives us like a really good variety of. They're so slow. I mean, I'd have to speed it up a little bit. Oh well, you know what? Yeah, it's like he's poking a guy rather than punching him there. I think that's good for punches for now. So we have a left reverse punch, a right reverse punch, a combo punch, 3 combo punches. Yeah, good. Let's try kicks. So we have soccer ball kicks. Right, okay, so we will want to do that whole thing again with the rigs. Humanoid. Wow, his foot looks like super floppy there. Wow. So that's like a soccer kick as well. I bet you that all the 74 ones are soccer kicks, because if they're all in the same series, yeah. I doubt this one is anything other than a soccer kick, but we can still look at it. And jump kick. I think we will want to bake this stuff in, because I think I tried looking at this last time without that stuff baked in. It looked kind of funny. Let's see. Ooh, that arm. That's bad. He moves forward, and I'm not really looking for anything that moves forward. And that arm is really bad. Let's see. We got handstand kicks. Oh my God. Yeah. It's like, wow, what is that? Capoeira. Capoeira. Okay, I want to look at that a little bigger, because that would be a rad move to include in the game if it's actually, if they play okay at normal speed. Oh, that is totally capoeira. You can see he's even doing the dance there. Um, he's moving around. He's bouncing. Did he fall over at the end of that? Really? Okay. Um, he's moving around too much. I don't know if I can. Yeah, he does a lot of forward movement during that thing. It's kind of cool. Handstand kicks is good enough. Let's see, kick flip. We're going to change the rig to humanoid. Let's see what we got here. Huh. Let's see where his position is. He's pretty close to there, it looks like. That's kind of an interesting move. Yeah, no, he starts too far back. Yeah, he goes like a lot forward. I want the moves basically for him to start and land like in the same place, because we don't have any root motion or anything applied. And I have a couple moves where the character actually changes position, and they look a little funny because he sort of like teleports back afterwards. Is this another kickflip? Did I just look at that one? You know what? Click kick flip stumble. Okay. Uh, oh right, because this one has punches, so I've already looked at these ones basically. Uh, this one I haven't. It looks like walking, running, jumping. Okay, let's see what we got in this one. Okay, that's some right straight kicks. I don't really know what those are supposed to be. It's like calisthenics or something. Okay, so let's take a look at those straight kicks in a little more detail. First, I just want to make sure I remember to check this stuff. I bet you now that those are set, we're going to find that that one move was actually him kneeing somebody. No, it still kind of looks like calisthenics. Okay, well, let's go back to the kicks and just watch those in real time and see if any of them are worth copying. Okay, so frame 690 looks like the start of the kicks. That was like the stumble kick. Second one was a little better for him. I think the second one was like the quickest. Let's go back to frame 690. We got the stumble kick. You totally see him stumble on the way back there. Okay, and let's see this one right here. We'll start around 759. So move. So okay, we start here. Let's see. Do we have anything better to start with? I think maybe like that. No. Okay. And then we do the kick. We come back, and those are all green. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, not bad. Okay, cool. I like that. So this is it's a right straight kick again. And we want to call it example. And then we'll apply that. Okay, and then let's add another frame and we'll start at 793, which was where the end of that one was. And let's see if we get anything else useful out of that. I think they're all just straight kicks. Yeah, I think I just like the first one the best. It's got like more effort to it. The rest of them, he's just sort of like raising his leg there. The punching, I think we've already seen this one. Yeah, we've seen the ones with the punching on them. As soon as yeah, there we go. Jump, kick, squat, spin. Sure. So, set the rig to humanoid. Go to our animation here, open it up, and watch it. Ooh, that was neat. It looks a little messed up, so let's try baking those in. Ooh, that's way better. Problem is, of course, like he just moves tremendously during that move. It's kind of a cool move, but not really anything we can use right now. So let's see what we have here. Okay, he's like doing a fake, does like a cartwheel, another back fake. It falls over. Nice. Okay. Nothing we can really use there. So let's keep looking. Humanoid apply, animations, and oh man, I wish I could get one like of him starting in the same spot with that, because that is cool. Let's take another look at that. Oh wow. Oh, it's nice and high speed too. Okay, well, maybe at some point I'm going to add like root motion as an option to the animations, because I want to be able to include stuff like that. So we'll just like have an option on the animation when we add it to the animation controller, like flip our controller in a root motion mode or something just for this, because that would be very cool. So let's take a look at this one. And then what do we got here? That's another pretty cool kick, but he moves too much during that one. Another awesome kick, but moving too much. And yeah, same deal. We already looked at that one. Basically anything else. Front kick. That looks promising. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's like a move forward front kick. Okay, well, maybe not so promising. All right, punch and kick bad. Let's just see kicking. Oh, that's like oh, what's this? That is a sidekick, and it's a left-hand sidekick. Oh no, okay, he's got a. Ooh, you know what? He moves back very close to the position where he started. His foot gets a little messed up there, but this might be okay. Oh, that's really weird. That's just like a shin kick or something, huh? Let's see. Move forward, shin kick back, side kick back, shin kick, straight kick. Huh. It's like a kickboxing block or something. I don't know what that is. It's like, oh, that's like a soccer ball kick. It looks like he's side kicking a soccer ball. You know what? Come to think of it, is that why all these look so weird? Are these all soccer ball kicks? I'm just trying to imagine a guy kicking a soccer ball. It looks like I mean, I don't know. Okay, let's see if we can find any positions that match down here in the controller. Oh, that's why it looks so weird. I didn't apply those ones yet. Okay, let's try this again. This time with those applied. Okay. Let's see. See if we can basically just look at these lines and see if we can find anything that sort of matches. Like anywhere where we get position matches and such. It's like, I kind of like the shin kick here. Let's try that one. Let's see if we can find a position match for it. No, guess not. Okay, let's try this one. He steps forward, kicks, comes back. You know what? That's like not super terrible. I mean, he moves mostly back to where he started. I think I'm actually okay with that. So this is a, what is it? It's a left kick. And it's a left downward kick, basically, like a kick to the knee. Okay, so we can call that the AnyRPG example left downward knee kick. And then we can start the next one at frame 90, I think. You know what? Let's actually just pull this back to the beginning. Whoops. Shoot. No. Control Z, undo. Yeah, darn it. No, apparently I can't Control Z and undo that. Okay, let's try that again. Whack. Yeah, that's okay. Apply, and then that way, if I mess this up again, I can just revert it. All right, make a new one, good, and start at frame 85. And I think that first one wasn't really any good. Let's see if we can find anything else in here, though. Right, the rest of them were just soccer kicks. Okay, good. So, I mean, we got one good kick there. Let's go to front kicking, and no animation. Good. So that means we haven't looked at this yet. We'll just apply that. Go to animations. Right, make sure that we set these guys here. And whoa, that arm is messed up. Okay. So basically, I'm just gonna rename that like bad arm. So let's try that one. Whoa, these ones are messed up too. Is that because of IK? No, it's still messed up even without IK. What happens if we load those ones in there? Nope, still messed up. Okay, so another one with bad arms. Oh, you know what I bet? I bet you it's just that basically the animation files just probably don't contain animations for the arm bones at all. So you're probably meant to just use these with a mask that's just for the legs. And that's a little bit beyond what I want to do in this episode. So we're just going to skip any of the ones that we have to do like cleanup on. Oh man, more messed up arms. And those feet too. They like the foot like flops at the end and twists sideways. He's gonna break his ankle while he's kicking this poor guy here. I'm just gonna rename that one bad arms too to let us know we need to clean it up. And okay, maybe this one. I doubt it. If all the other ones had similar issues. Yeah, reversed arms again. Okay, all right. So that's not bad. I mean, we got at least a few animations out of that. There's one more thing I think that I can check, and that was boxing. Yeah, boxing. So we've got some boxing moves, and those boxing moves may actually be better even than just the regular punches and kicks. Oh no, this guy's got a messed up arm. Okay. Rename that bad arm, I guess. Okay, let's see if, oh no. These are like all really bad. Interesting. I wonder if keyframe reduction, like, do you know what? Just, let's try off just for a second. Like maybe we're just missing a keyframe. No, arms are still backwards. Okay. Let's see, do we have constraints? Does that maybe help? Nope, arms are still backwards. Okay, so they are just bad arms, I guess. Let's try this one. I thought with the, like, when I looked through this before, I thought I found, oh, there we go. Yeah, I thought I found a couple boxing ones that were okay. 14 boxing ones look okay. Yeah, there we go. That's way better. We got like some nice jabs and stuff. He's moving around a little bit on these, but I think we can deal with that if we just... Okay, so we got like whack, 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 like a 3-hit combo. All right. Yeah, some of this stuff I think is going to be usable. Looks pretty promising so far. You know what else we need? We need like we might even find some combat idle ones in here. Because basically what would be nice is to get a combat idle loop where you can just catch him in guard for a few seconds where he's not actually like doing anything. Yeah, we got like a right hook. Was that a right hook? That was a right hook. Okay, let's actually start at the beginning because these actually, it looks like we got a lot of good stuff in this one. So we'll just move this out a little bit, or not. Okay, there. So we'll start this one right at the beginning. We'll zoom in. And pull this back. And then scroll down and see if we can find something good. Okay, so let's start there because that's the first place he's got his hands up in like a guard position. And I guess we're gonna have to zoom in like way further. Okay, let's see, is this a combo? This looks like it's kind of a combo. The feet are not exactly, neither is the body. Let's see if we pull it up a little bit. Yeah, these positions aren't great. Well, okay, let's see. We got sort of a neutral pose here. And this is right before he does that right hook. So he swings forward, right hook, steps back, and look at that. We have a mostly green. So let's take a look. Right hook, swing back. Yeah, okay, good. So we will call this AnyRPG example right hook punch. Apply that. And then we're going to click the plus button to add a new one and start that at 144. No, 183 where the other one ends. And then keep looking forward through here for some good stuff. So, wow, that was a nice little jab combo there. Let's scroll down a little bit, zoom in some. And I want to play that jab combo from the start. I guess we have to do that first though. Okay, so let's see. Jab, 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 jab. Wow. Nice little 4-shot combo there. Okay. So let's try that out. We got jab, jab, jab. Wait, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was that? Were they that quick? Wow, this guy's like lightning. Let's see. Jab, 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 jab. That was a 3-shot combo. Okay. But we're pretty much all green across the board here, so let's take another look at that. 1, 2, 3, 3. Yeah, it's a 1, 2, 3 combo. Okay. Right, left, right, 3-shot combo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good. So I like that one. Example, just call it the right, left, right, 3-punch combo. these names are starting to get a little long, so I'm going to shorten that one. Okay, good. So we start the next one at 222, which is where that one ended. Make sure we set these orientation and Y position. Okay, let's see what he does next here. So we'll just start at the beginning, like dances around. You know what? I really like that dancing. Okay. I wanted a nice, basically like a combat idle animation. And that boxer dancing thing, I think we might be able to find a loop inside that where he returns to his start position. So let's see. Okay, we gotta get him before. Darn, it doesn't look like. Yeah, because he comes in here, he comes back, we're sort of. Yeah, it's not a very clear match there. Huh, that's too bad because that was kind of nice. Okay, maybe not. This is a double left jab. He's still moving around too much. Let's see if we can find something where he's coming back to a good start position. You know what? That double combo looks kind of okay. Let's see. I still want him. Yeah, I want him kind of in a neutral position at the start of these. Right hook, left hook. Okay, let's move all these guys up here and then move this over a little bit and then see if we can find anything. Okay. Nothing really where I can get him with his feet together. Like I sort of want him in a combat neutral. He comes back here, does a little bit of a lunge, does like this foot switch thing. More lunging. Some jabbing. Okay. I guess let's just keep looking forward here. These are all like really cool animations, but he's just bouncing around so much. Ooh, you know what? Let's see, does he do? Yeah. He still has his right foot back like way far. Yeah, I see. He's got like the boxing footwork going on this whole time here. Makes it really hard to find him in a position where his feet are sort of together in like a traditional combat stance. Let's keep looking at the other boxing ones. I mean, we got like two pretty good ones out of that, so I think I'm happy with those guys. And then let's just do like a quick overview. Let's see what we got in here. Oh no, messed up arms is what we got. Okay. So more bad arms. And then let's see if we have bad arms on this one. Yeah, bad arms. Okay. Washing windows, painting hand signals. Okay. Dance, Egyptian walk. Wow, lots of stuff in this one. Let's go up and see if we found, like, apparently there's some boxing. What exactly? Okay, that looks more like dancing. Oop, what's this? This is boxing, right? No, this is like stretching and grabbing somebody's face. Can we consider any of this like out of combat idle, or combat idle, I mean? How fast are these? Are these slow or fast? No, it's not fast enough to really look like a punch in the game, unfortunately. Ooh, what's this? You know what? That right there. There we go. Let's start this. We do a bunch of dodging. This is perfect. 38-36. Because his hands are in a nice position, basically in front of his chest right here. Let's zoom in on this. And this is like, it looks like actually a really good combat idle one. So we'll apply those. And let's zoom in a little more. Okay. And then go back a little bit here. We got the last one. He comes back. Okay. So let's see what we got here. We got some bouncing around. He's like basically staying still. He doesn't do anything till there. Okay. So can we find a good match to that anywhere within here before he drops his fist? This isn't bad. I mean, they're all orange. That's not terrible. We got the top ones are green. Let's just take a look at that. I think I actually want to bake the XZ position to that. Like, I don't really want him to move. Okay. That's, whoops. Gotta click on that before I can zoom in. I want to get closer in there because I want to see if we can find something that's an exact match. So let's go back to the beginning here and look for something that will get us greens all the way across, if that's even possible. Okay, and let's just try. Yeah, it looks like his. You know what? This little piece right here, this tiny little clip. You know what? It's not super fantastic. Like, you can see his legs sort of bouncing around here. But you know, it's not fantastic, but at the same time it's not like, I don't think, really super terrible. Let's just bake it in at the original here, see if we still got the foot bouncing thing happening. Yeah, no, we still got foot bouncing. I don't know what that is exactly about. It's probably just like the animations maybe a little like unclean. Okay, so let's go loop time and loop pose as well. And that should connect them together a little better. And let's see if that works. Yeah, awesome. No, you know what? We need to bake that in. We don't want him to move at all, so we want no velocity in the animation, otherwise it's going to look funny. Or maybe, I don't know, let's see. If we remove the velocity baking, do the feet skip less or more? It's hard to tell. I think they skip a little less. Okay, I see like 2 skips. Yeah, you know what? That's fine. I think I'm okay with that. This is going to become AnyRPG example combat idle. Yeah. Awesome. So we got our combat idle. I've been looking for that for a little while. Okay, and now we can look through the rest of this clip. We'll start another one here at 3875. And let's see if we can find any other goodies at the end of this thing. So what else do we got here? Right, we should bake this stuff in. Okay. Oh, I guess, yeah, I gotta click on that, zoom in again. Okay, so let's see, 3875, we got the right starting point. What else do we have here? We have a left hook. Okay, that's not a half bad left hook. Let's see. Oops. Zoom in on that. Scroll down here. Okay. And left hook and back. All 3 green. Not bad. Yeah, I think that's pretty good actually. That's a little... darn it. You know what? I don't believe that punch. It's too slow. So I guess let's just keep watching this in real time and see if we get anything that looks like sort of half decently realistic. Slow left hook, too slow left hook, too slow left hook. You know what? That was a nice little combat idle stretch right there. How long was he combat idle for? Like, he does this slow left hook, then he comes back to here. It's like a good deal of time there. Okay, let's start here and let's look at this. That's not like too terrible. We've got a pretty good match here. Okay, how long is this little loop right here? Oh, that's, you know, that's nice. That's, I mean, it's really short, but let's see if I loop time and loop pose what happens. I mean, that's a really short combat idle, but it's like almost beautiful how short it is. Yeah, that's like perfect. And we don't observe as much foot skipping on it. Let's bake in the XZ position and see what we get. Okay, we got a little bit of foot skipping, but you know what? I'm good with that. I am totally good with that, like more than good with that. This will be combat idle 2. And let's see if we can pull anything else useful out of this. So the next one we start at 4218. And we'll just look through all the way until the end of it. Oh, right, yeah, you know what? Let's watch these in real time. Yeah, too slow. And we need to fix that stuff too. Yeah, too slow. Too slow. Yeah, those still weren't like good enough to be considered good punches. Okay, that's great. So let's take a look at the next one here. Okay, yeah, we'll open that up. What do we got here? More wax on, wax off, more calisthenics. Boogie dance. Okay, here we go. Back to boxing. I don't really like his guard here. It's like he's clawing at his face. This front one's a little better. You know what? Let's just take a look at these in real time real quick. Ah, too slow. Yeah, no, they're not realistic. Yeah, no, it's like he's reaching out and grabbing. Yeah, still too slow. Okay. So let's go over to this one. We'll check out these ones. More boxing animations. These are way too slow. Like, anyone could dodge these punches there. They're not really like real punches. Yeah, those are like not very great. You know what? I'm gonna rename that like boxing slow because it is a good range of motion. It's just really slow. So maybe like if I get desperate or something, I can come back to those ones and speed them up. Let's see, what do we got? Oh no, bad arms. Okay, and let's see, maybe this one, we might get luckier. Ooh, wow. Hello, quick punches. Oh, nice. That's like an entire combo all in one. And I am like really happy with that actually. Okay, hands up in defensive position. Let's see if we can get a match on all three. Okay, so we got right, 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 left, right. Okay, that last one doesn't match up, but look at this. What do we have here? How many punches in this middle loop here? Oh, yeah. Okay. How many? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. That is a nice combo. And everything is in the green. It's too bad he doesn't return his hands to guard position. It's too bad he drops his hands after that one right there. Because otherwise, like, it's just perfect. Okay. We're going to keep his feet planted during that. Like that last one, it's so quick, that right left jab there. Okay, this is a right, 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 left combo. And actually, I think we want to end it actually a few frames back there. Right there, maybe. Let's try that. Maybe like one more. We don't want him to start pulling back for the next one yet. Maybe there. Yeah, that was pretty good. Okay, awesome. So this is an AnyRPG example left, right, right, right. Yeah, okay, right, 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 left punch combo. Okay, and finally our last boxing one. Okay, let's take a look at that. The position he's in is hilarious. Wow, he's like floating around there. I don't know if I can fix that or not. Let's see. Based on center of mass, maybe we can bake that into the pose and no, I think the animation is just like messed up. It's like hanging by his chest there, and it totally, this looks like he's actually hitting like one of those boxing like balls or something like that, but unfortunately that's not very great. So that's all right, because if we look at any RPG example, we managed to pull out 2 combat idols, a downward kick, a reverse punch, several jab combos, and a bunch of individual kicks. And to me, this looks really great. It looks like we have 14 animation clips, and 14 is more than enough to include with a sample of the engine. So there's actually a couple more things that I want to just look at here. I just want to see, do we have any sword play? Oh yeah, we got sword play. Because I'd like to be able to include some good sword animations as well. So let's look through the sword play stuff, see if anything is usable at all. I mean, this is all free, so it's totally a bonus if it works, and it's all open domain, so even better if it works. I mean, public domain, that's it. Okay, let's see, sword play. Really, you're gonna block a sword with your hands, that's kind of dangerous. Oh, what is this? You know what? He's not blocking it. Or maybe that's just really bad retargeting, possibly. Because what it kind of looks like right here is these hands are supposed to be lined up on top of each other. Like there's a sword going through them, but they just didn't end up, like that just didn't happen. Yeah, like right here, that almost kind of works. You know, you can imagine a sword in the top hand and him doing like an overhand chop here, but oh, they just don't. They just don't line up very well. That one's okay, but like there isn't a good starting position for that animation that I can think of. Yeah, that's too bad. If we turn off IK, I just want to see if that gets any better. No. Okay. All right, let's look at swordplay number 2, and maybe we'll have better luck there. So we'll bake those in, and then take a look at it. Okay, what's this? So I can imagine right now that he's got a shield in his right hand there. Maybe, really? It's like not looking like a sword move. It's like a slap move. His hand is passing through the other hand. Like, huh. Let's see what we got here. It's not quite long enough. It's too bad because like just this last little bit right here could actually be like a two-handed sword, like idle position, like a combat idle. It is, he doesn't really stand still. Like 283 to 300. That's like 2/3 of a second that he stands there. So unfortunately, it looks like maybe we're kind of out of luck with that one as well. Let's look at this last one here. Wow. Yeah, that doesn't really look like swordplay either. Okay, let's see, what other kind of keywords could we possibly go on there? Hit, nothing with hits. Nothing with a shield. Oh, you know what? Whoops, I'm totally looking in the wrong directory. Let's back that up again. Let's try hit. Still nothing on hit. Okay. Nothing on shield. Let's try fight. Wow, nothing on fight. This is still working, right? Punch? Yeah, punch works. Okay. Staff. Nope. Okay. Hammer. Hammering a nail. I wonder if we have, like, if I do axe, relax. Nope. Okay. I think I tried staff. Yeah, nothing under staff. Digging. Digging a hole. What I'm looking for is like kind of an overhead like slamming motion. No, like with a miner's pick or something like that. Nothing there. Let's see if we got anything else in here. That's just like standard digging as well. So what was the other one I found? It wasn't hit. Nope, pushing a swing. Wait, I don't want to be down in 80s. I want to be up at mocap animations. There we go. Okay. Playground swing. I don't know what these ones are right here. So let's just take a quick look. Swing. Ah, you know what? Okay, that's a golf swing. I don't think we could really use that, but I think these are probably like all the 63 ones are probably golf swings. Yeah. So we have playground swings, pushing a swing, swinging arms. Okay, so let's just look at the hammer ones for a second. We might get something that we could use like an overhead chop here. I'm just thinking like hitting with a hammer, depending on how you're holding that hammer, could... Oh, this is like he's using like a finishing hammer here. He's like just tapping this thing out ever so gently. I was thinking like more like a construction worker smacking a nail with a hammer or something, but yeah, that's pretty much the same thing. You know what's really cool actually? So let's actually just go up and take a look at that, because this could actually be used for our crafting animations. Yeah. So, oh my God, that is so perfect. How long is this animation? It's like 4, 5, 6 seconds. That is actually really cool. Because we can totally use this for our crafting animations. So let's just try to find a pose where he's going to be, like he steps forward here. Okay, let's bring him in there. I guess he didn't, like, I'm just looking at the position here, and it looks like he didn't move back into the same place when he was done. Okay, let's see. He starts like basically on this line right here. And then by the end of it, he's moved up from that line. He stood at the table. He moves back. I see. But basically, like, he never quite makes it back to the same spot, I think. Okay. Let's look at this one, because this one actually lasts a little longer. So we might get like actually better positioning here. So we'll go back, we'll pull this forward, and let's just take a look at the end of it. So similar stuff, up to the table, stand up, sort of step back a little bit. You know what, right here. Let's see if we can loop match to that position. No, can we get him to step back farther? Okay, he steps back like a little bit. Let's see if we can match to that in position. No. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so he starts on this line again, goes up to that table, crafts for a little bit, and then steps back off the line. Let's see. If he's just like basically standing here like at the table the entire time, and I just sort of skip the stepping up. Well, we'll just keep looking for now. Nothing in there is really looking like it's lining up super easily, and we can always come back to those later. So let's just look at this last clip here. Hmm. Yeah, this one suffers from the same issue pretty much. I think I'm going to go back to this one because I kind of like that one. And let's see, step up to the table, step back. Never quite makes it all the way back. Does he? I don't know. Hmm. It's interesting that, like, when you look and you're pulling, oh, what is this? We have a bunch of, like, almost greens now. Hmm. That might actually be okay. I mean, it's, let's see how long it is, basically. He sort of leans over. And then at the end of it, he sort of steps back. I think it was better before when we just had him like standing at the table the whole time. Yeah, you know what? That's probably about as good as we're gonna get. Basically, he'll just sort of like bend over and kind of stand up at the end. I think I'm actually more than happy with that because this actually gives us, this is really cool because previously he was just wandering up to the table and it would take him like 1 second to craft something and he'd just sort of like pull the thing off the table. But now it actually looks like he's actually doing something, which is really cool. So let's call that the any RPG example crafting. Uh, yeah, you know what? This is, yeah, we'll just call it crafting hammering. It's not really like super heavy hammering. Yeah, that is awesome. I am so happy that I found that. Okay, good. So we got a good crafting animation. Some other animations, let's see, do we have anything floating? I guess not, because this is all mocap. We're not going to have flying guys in our mocap animations. Um, Float, no, okay. Fly, butterfly, fly stroke. Is this a swimming animation? That would be really cool because I want to actually add swimming to the game. Oh, it is. Oh, yes. I can totally use this once I add swimming to the game. Yeah, awesome. Okay, that's really cool. So we actually have like swimming animations. Um, I couldn't find, there was like nothing else for weapon or bat. Mixing batter, no. Um, I'm totally trying to find some weapon animations other than just the unarmed animations. Um, like it would be really nice to at least have a couple of different types of hits, but we don't have like, this is really odd. It keeps on jumping down into other directories there. Going back, hit, nope. Bash, nope. Okay, smash, nope. Break, break dance, break shot right. Shot. These are like basketball shots. You know what else? Let's try bow. Do we have any bows and arrows? That would be kind of cool. Because I have... Oh, bow. Okay. Yeah, not bow, bow. I wonder if this is a bow as well. Yeah, that's another bow. Okay. Oh, hey, look, shooting bow and arrow. How did I miss that? That is exactly what we want. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Yeah, totally. Um, wow. Our goblin archers in our game have a bow and arrow on their back. They have a bow weapon. We've got like animations on it. We can make it do the drawstring thing. This is very, very cool. I am literally just going to take this entire thing directly and call it AnyRPG example shoot bow and arrow. And I'm just going to keep that for later because we'll want that. Wow, I might even add an example bow and arrow. Oh no, I don't have any good like free bow and arrow prefabs, but this is definitely going in the game at some point. So, did we have a stick? We didn't have a stick. Right, fight. See there, we ended up way down there again. Yeah, nothing in mocap animations. Okay. I think that's good enough for the animations that we found. The next thing we need to do is really quickly, we just need to go in and add some hit events to them. So AnyRPG, left downward knee kick. We'll go into here. Then we need to go add an event to this animation. So we'll go down to the events here. And we're going to kick right there. That is our point of impact. So we're going to click this. We're going to just put a hit event in here. And this will make it so that our combat controller knows when to actually do the damage, basically. So I guess we have to go through and do that for everything in the directory. reverse punch we'll need to do that for. Oh, nice. We got like 3 of them in here. Okay. So we'll go down here. Low side kick. You can hit basically right there. And then left reverse punch. Boom. Right there. And then right reverse punch. Boom, right there. And let's look at our other ones. We have AnyRPG. So now we can do our combo punches. So we got the right straight kick, and we can hit basically right here. And also in this same file, we've got a left-right combo punch. So let's see, we hit with the left hand, there's this little jab right here. And then we move forward and we hit with the other hand right here. So this is nice because this is a cool punch where we're going to do 2 hits. Boom. Okay. And going back up to our mocap animations, we've got this other file here which contains more combo punches. Combo punch 2. Boom. Hit right there. And boom, hit right there. Okay, and let's see, did we have combo punch 3? I think we already did this one, right? Yeah, that's got the events on it. So I think we have combo punch 3 still. There's combo punch 3. And we can go down to the events here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Boom. That's a nice, wow, nice easy early hit there. Hit. Hit. Okay, just a 2 hits on that one. Okay, and let's see, left-right jab combo. And just see, I don't think we have events on this right straight kick here. Nope, so we'll add a hit event right there. And then we'll go up and look at the jab combo in there. And we got a hit right here. And a hit right here. Okay, that looks good. And let's go back up to the mocap animations and see if we missed anything. So left reverse punch, 3 combo punches, jab, low side kick, I don't suppose I can see. I can't see any events right here. Okay, well, anyway, we'll look at low sidekick. I think I already... Yeah, okay, low sidekick does have events on it. Everything in this file already has events. Okay, so we'll go past below low sidekick in the mocap animations onto right hook punch. Ah, there we go. Good. This one is the one with a 3-hit combo in it. So, right hook punch, boom, right there. You know what? Right there. Sure. And add a hit event. And then we're going to go to the 3-punch combo here. Scroll down. Okay, first hit right there. Second hit right here. Third hit right there. Okay, awesome. And then let's see, we've still got, I remember we had an LLLR. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so right hook, right reverse punch. I have 3 right straight kicks here. And I think I did all of them already. Yeah, pretty sure definitely did all of them. Okay, good. So going back to mocap animations again, look these things up. And these 2 combos right here, the RLR and RRRL, we need to add hit events for those. Oh, this was the one, we already did that one. Okay, so we just need basically the final one, which was this one, the 4-hit combo. Okay, let's see. Boom. First hit right there. Boom. Second hit right there. Third hit there. And fourth hit there. Okay, awesome. And now we have a bunch of animations. So then the only other thing that I think we need to do is we have that AnyRPG bow animation right here. And when we eventually do end up using it, I could either do bow shooting as a cast or bow shooting like as an animated ability. And I think I want to do it as an animated ability, which means that at the moment of the release right here, twing, there we go, we want to add an event. And although that event won't actually like do damage, what it will do is trigger the arrow projectile part of the spell to then go fly through the air towards the enemy. So that's pretty good. And I think, like, I wonder if I could set that as the auto attack as well, if that would work. If I set an on hit ability on the bow to be the shoot arrow, I potentially could even use that as a bow's auto attack ability, ensuring that the only auto attack valid for that character is the arrow. That's a really neat idea, and I might just try that. So for now, though, it looks like we're running at about 2 hours here, and I think we found enough of these animations for today. So we've got a good enough selection. Oh, you know what? I remember what I wanted to check before I end this. Movement animations. We don't have the word strafe. Okay. And like, we've got some jog ones, lots of jogging ones actually. I don't really want to do jogging. Hey, you know what? Let's look for the word combat. Nope. Okay. So if we look like run, we've got a whole pile of these, and I will check these out some other time. It's going to take a little bit of research to find like that's going to take a while to sort through all those. So I'll check some of those out offline, and I think what I'll do is if I find any good running ones, I'll just come back and I'll just sort of highlight them, so you don't have to watch me going through this process of finding them. But basically, yeah, we've now got a whole pile of really cool animations that we can use, and I'm quite happy with that. So we'll end the video at this point. Once again, if you like this kind of content, or you want to see more of this kind of content or anything different in the future, just leave a comment in the comments on the videos letting me know. Thanks again, and I will see you guys next time when we will be picking this up with actually going in and making example abilities out of all those new combat animations, and then putting them in the Unity package. So take care and see you later.